Hi, yoga buddies. Welcome to a new yoga journey, a simple routine to bring peace and energy to your day. Before we start, remember to tap the like button and subscribe so you can join all our mindful adventures together. Find a quiet spot, roll out your mat, and take a deep breath in. Let's begin this peaceful flow together. Stand tall with feet together, arms relaxed at your sides, shoulders back and down. The spine is straight, chin slightly lifted, and gaze forward. The body feels grounded yet light. From standing, raise your arms overhead with palms facing each other. Gently lift your gaze upward, lengthening through the spine and fingertips. Bend forward from the hips, keeping the spine long, letting the head hang down and the hands rest near the feet or on the mat. The body feels released and relaxed. Form an inverted V shape with your body. Hands and feet press into the mat, hips lifted high, spine long, and head relaxed between the arms. Lie on your stomach and place your hands under your shoulders. Lift your chest up, elbows bent close to your body, shoulders relaxed, and gaze forward or slightly upward. On hands and knees, arch your back, cat pose. Breathe deeply to connect movement and breath. On hands and knees, lifting your chest, cow pose. Breathe deeply to connect movement and breath. Kneel on the mat, sit back on your heels, and fold forward with your arms stretched out in front or resting by your sides. The forehead touches the mats in complete relaxation. Lie on your back, bend your knees, and place your feet flat on the floor. Lift your hips upward while pressing your feet and arms into the mat. Chest open, chin tucked slightly. Sit with legs extended straight ahead. Reach forward from the hips and grasp your feet or shins, keeping the back long and shoulders relaxed. Sit cross-legged with a straight spine, hands resting on knees or in lap. The shoulders are relaxed, eyes closed or softly open, exuding peace and balance. Beautiful work, yoga buddies! You've moved with calm and grace today. Remember, peace and energy are always within you, just waiting for a breath to awaken them. Take one more deep breath and smile from your heart. If this routine made you feel lighter, give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our next mindful session. Share this video with a friend who needs a little peace and positive energy today. See you next time. Namaste.